Ladies and gentlemen, so been 23 days without power, but I found a lot of different ways to survive. But go back to tell you something. So this refrigerator was here ever since I've been here, since 2014. This is 2024 now. So I have been told them in the top of the year when the water tank went out that it was time for another refrigerator, because 3 years, like from this year to last year, the year before that, every year the mold comes in this refrigerator. And they said, oh, you just got to clean it out. You just got to clean it out. So when the power went out, they cut the power off and all the moisture and stuff was in there. And I'm like, this ain't supposed to be like that. So, and it's been just coming out, whatever, right? So this been off since the 9th of September, 2024. And look at all this mold. This shouldn't be like that. So now I'm about to clean it, but that's why I'm taking this videotape, because I'm gonna order my own one. You know, these little flies. I don't know what kind of flies this is. That's terrible. I don't know what the heck this is. What the heck is that, yo? But yeah. That is so crazy. What the heck is that? So yeah. Got that mold. I don't know what the heck these little white things is. I don't know if I should even. Man, this looks nasty work. They should be ashamed of this. And this all the inside of the refrigerator look. All these little bugs and junk. Time for a new one. This is crazy. It stinks so bad too. I'm not about to do this no more. Now I gotta take pictures. Gotta throw this bread out.